The first step in creating my final product was the research and planning stage. During this stage, I mainly used software such as YouTube, Google, and Photoshop. Although I did use a high-end Canon camera to record my locations and take photographs of various evidence I needed. We even used a GoPro to film a scene underwater within the construction of a video. This hardware was very helpful, but I will now go into more detail about the various other technology I used. During the research and planning, I used the search engine Google to look for images of posters, digipack covers, but to also find websites, look at Photoshop tutorials, and mainly I used it just to find information about what I was looking for. With the information I was looking for, I was more looking at conventions of a music video, which I found on various homepages, one of which was a video talking about the conventions, which was uploaded to YouTube. So of course YouTube was very vital in my research and planning stage. But with Google comes Google Images, and that was a crucial piece of software because without it I wouldn't have been able to access pictures to use as inspiration for my digipack, and even to just research what the band of my chosen song looks like. By using Google Images, I was able to study and annotate pieces that I felt were relevant to my blog, and even just look for digipacks to compare and take inspiration from. Now, YouTube was a very helpful piece of software that allowed me to research and gain more knowledge through looking at existing music videos, videos talking about the conventions of a music video, and even videos that taught me how to be a better director. I also use YouTube to view many tutorials on advanced techniques inside Photoshop. To get some information on a topic I wasn't 100% sure about, I would use Wikipedia to get that information. And although it has a anyone can edit approach, I felt it was a really handy and reliable way to get information. Now, a big software that helped me throughout all stages was Adobe's Photoshop. It allowed me to create professionally looking images and graphics for my blog. With the planning and production stages, I would use Photoshop to create more visually engaging pieces of text. I definitely use this a lot more when talking about my ancillary tasks. It was the most used software throughout my project as it allowed me to edit logos and designs and create synergy between all of my works, so audiences could recognize it was all connected. I used Photoshop to find a good looking font for my music video, then managed to use that same font in my poster and digipack. This created synergy between my digipack poster and music video. It also allowed me to use the same color scheme throughout my digipack and poster. The fact that Photoshop is a professional tool and I understood how to use it made it a great choice for me personally. I was able to have creative freedom with changing positioning of text, the colors. I could even add different effects to a photograph, all of which was very helpful in all stages of my project.